Have you ever been in a situation where you needed money but didn't have access to your bank account? Maybe you're on vacation and you need to pay for a meal, or maybe you're just short on cash for the month. If so, you may be wondering if you can use Revolut to send money to a friend. The answer is yes. You can send money to a friend using Revolut. In fact, it's a great way to send money to someone quickly and easily. How to send money to a friend on Revolut. Here's how to do it. Open the Revolut app. Tap on the Send button. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Select the friend you want to send the money to. Tap on the Send button again. The money will be transferred to your friend's Revolut account immediately. What are the benefits of using Revolut to send money? There are a number of benefits to using Revolut to send money. It's fast and easy. You can send money to a friend in just a few seconds. It's free. There are no fees for sending money using Revolut. It's secure. Revolut uses advanced security measures to protect your money. It's available in many countries. Revolut is available in over 30 countries around the world. What are the limitations of using Revolut to send money? There are a few limitations to using Revolut to send money. You can only send money to friends who have a Revolut account. You can only send money up to a certain amount per day. There may be fees associated with sending money to certain countries. Overall, Revolut is a great way to send money to a friend quickly and easily. If you're looking for a secure and convenient way to send money, Revolut is a great option. In addition to sending money to friends, you can also use Revolut to pay bills. You can use Revolut to pay your bills directly from your app. Buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies directly in the Revolut app. Get a travel card. You can get a Revolut travel card that you can use to pay for things while you're traveling. Get a business account. You can get a Revolut business account to manage your business finances. With so many features and benefits, Revolut is a great all-in-one financial app. In conclusion, yes, you can send money to a friend on Revolut. It's a fast, easy, and secure way to send money to someone you know. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.